I'm taking on the challenge to replace my $25 hourly salary by starting a social media business from scratch. Let's see if I can make it happen. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. As you bestie asked, did you know that the average $25 hourly wage adds up to just over $50,000 a year before taxes? Now imagine this: what if you could replace that salary and potentially earn 2, 3, or even 10 times more by working smarter, not harder? There's a booming opportunity that's already changing lives, and it's right at your fingertips. Intrigued? Let's uncover it together. In today's digital-first world, social media has become more than just a platform for sharing moments or connecting with friends. It's now one of the most powerful tools for building wealth and creating a lifestyle of freedom. From Instagram to TikTok, YouTube to Pinterest, people just like you are turning these platforms into their personal gold mines. But here's the twist: most of them started with little to no experience. They didn't need fancy degrees, huge investments, or insider connections. Just an idea, a strategy, and the willingness to start. So, why aren't more people doing this? The problem is that most of us have been conditioned to believe that a traditional job, a steady hourly salary, is the only safe path. But the reality? Traditional jobs often limit your earning potential, tie you to strict schedules, and leave you trading your most valuable resource, time, for money. Social media, on the other hand, flips that script. It gives you the power to earn on your own terms, whether it's through content creation, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or managing accounts for others. Now, here's where it gets exciting. What if I told you that with just a smartphone and a little creativity, you could start replacing your $25 per hour job today? Take this example: Sarah, a teacher making $25 an hour, started sharing simple educational tips on TikTok. Within 6 months, she grew her audience to 100,000 followers. Brands took notice, sponsorship deals started rolling in, and suddenly, her side hustle was making more than her full-time job. Today, Sarah works for herself and earns 6 figures, all from the comfort of her home. Still think it's too good to be true? Let me break it down. Social media businesses thrive because they leverage scale. One post, one video, or one piece of content can reach thousands, or even millions, of people overnight. And the best part? Many tools today, like Canva, CapCut, and AI platforms, make creating professional-grade content easier than ever. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to be consistent and strategic. But what's the catch? The truth is, success in social media isn't instant. It takes time to build your brand, learn the algorithms, and connect with your audience. However, the rewards are worth it. You're not just replacing your salary, you're building an asset. A social media business doesn't just pay the bills, it can scale infinitely, giving you the financial freedom and flexibility you've always dreamed of. Now, let me share a moment that will make you think twice about staying in your 9-to-5. Mike, a graphic designer, had been earning $50,000 a year for almost a decade. Frustrated with his stagnant income, he started offering social media branding services on Instagram. Within a year, he replaced his income entirely and now makes $10,000 a month while working fewer hours. Stories like Mike's and Sarah's are proof that this isn't just a dream, it's achievable for anyone willing to take the leap. And here's the suspenseful twist: the opportunity is still wide open, but it won't be forever. Platforms are evolving, competition is growing, and trends are shifting fast. The question is, will you act now, or will you wait and watch others succeed while you stay stuck trading hours for dollars? Here's your call to action: think about your skills, your passions, and your goals. What kind of content could you create? What niche could you dominate? It's time to stop watching and start building. Drop your ideas or questions in the comments, and check out our next video on the best tools and strategies to launch your social media business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell for more tips on transforming your life and income.